Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with a simple trick video. Have you seen fire from water? So we are going to do that trick today. So this is the cup and with water. So let's go into the video. So guys, now we are going to put the paper in the cup and you can see the paper is burning. As you can see, we have written paper. So the fire is gone.
Now we got fire from water. Let's see how to do this trick. Now we take a tumbler of water and then we pour sanitizer. Just pour small quantity of sanitizer and then we light it up. So you can just see a minimal flame which is very rarely visible. And then now we just hold this paper, the paper gets burnt up. So this is the trick, fire from water. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Children should not try this at home as this contains hand sanitizer which contains isopropyl alcohol and fire. So this is a very sensitive experiment. We request children should not try this at home. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Share your thoughts in the comment box below and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.